Yeah guys, let us build the big connector. 15 here, Technic pin in the corner, Technic pin right here, whatever it's called right here, big blue on the top. Build something like this, everybody, and we're gonna put it right here. Step 69. Woo! This thing is getting big every step. I know this is gonna be the outside of it. Oh guys, this thing has gone in the wrong direction. Guys, this thing went upside down. I had no idea how to put this on because I'm using Rubricable. I couldn't see. I'm using Rubricable. Yeah. Bill, we got this curvy. Yeah. Now, step 69 here. 2 Technic pins. Mainly we've got Technic pins, all the Technic pins. How many 8 and 9? There's 8 Technic pins in these videos. 1 second segment. Put these here. More Technic pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make something like this and get 2 more big blues. Yeah, build something like this, exactly like that. Or if you can't understand me, just see the instructions on Rubricable. Did I say that wrong? Yeah. Put it right here. And we're on step 7. 7, 0. What does that spell? 70. You heard me? 70. 70! Yeah. 70 is a big one. Classic. Okay, we're not going to stop until we build the front. Then I'll see you in video 6. No, video 7. This is video 6. Yeah, whatever. Let's go back to where we build a mirrored image of what you built earlier. Here, put 15 here. Put Mr. 15 there. And take Mr. Connector. And big blue,